New information tonight on the COVID-19 vaccine. Every day, more signs of progress when it comes to getting Americans vaccinated against COVID-19. In Idaho, just under 20% of people have had at least one dose of the vaccine. 12% of people are fully vaccinated.
In Washington, just over 22% of people have had at least one dose of the vaccine so far, with nearly 13% considered fully vaccinated. Tonight, we're seeing more proof of how well these vaccines are working, especially to protect those most at risk of this virus.
One major milestone. It's been a week since the health district reported a COVID death in Spokane County. Mayor Kawash explains how the vaccines are reducing the spread and severity of this virus.
Nearly 2.5 million doses of these vaccines have been given across Washington. You can see here the state has used about 84% of the doses it has. Now, all of this is already making a tremendous impact, as Spokane is averaging just 64 cases per day right now. And the most important part to all this, the virus is killing fewer people. 80% of all COVID deaths in the U.S. come from people who are older than 65. The vaccines are 100% effective at preventing death, but we're also now seeing them prevent infection too. In Spokane County, just 8 people older than 80 were infected with COVID-19 between March 7th and the 13th.
Look at our numbers. It does tell me that we are doing as much as we can in the community to stay where we are and to make progress.
States are also getting better at giving out the vaccine thanks to some better communication. About a month ago, the federal government started telling states how many doses they'd be getting 3 weeks ahead of time. Now the State Department of Health is finally giving that same information to the counties, which makes for much better planning.
We don't have to plan something and then reel it back because we don't have the vaccine, but we can be assured that we're going to be getting it. And so those plans can go forward.
That's helping more appointments get scheduled at mass vaccination sites like the Spokane Arena. If you qualify for the vaccine right now, you could sign up for an appointment through that number on the bottom of your screen or head to KXOY.com for a link to the website. Now, vaccination sites like that are also going to help states reach President Biden's goal of making every adult eligible for the vaccine by May 1st.
To be honest, we're excited for that because it'll make it so much easier and we can just get that vaccine out and there won't be all of this qualifications and eligibility issues to be worried about.
Speaking of eligibility, on Thursday, the vaccine line will grow in Washington as more people can get that shot. That includes critical workers who work in tight spaces like food processing and grocery stores, and then anyone older than 16 who is pregnant or disabled. You can see that full list on KXOY.com. Aaron, Nia?
Thank you, Mayor.